Effectively managing multiple social media accounts on platforms like Facebook and Instagram has become a critical need for businesses, marketers, and even individuals prioritizing privacy. Whether you're driving brand growth, conducting market research, or simply keeping personal and professional lives separate, maintaining several accounts can enhance your social media presence and reach. However, social media platforms have invested in sophisticated security measures that actively detect and block multiple accounts, making safe management a complex task. This detection relies on what's known as your digital fingerprint, a combination of identifiers including your IP address, device type, and unique hardware characteristics. These elements together form a profile that allows social media platforms to recognize if multiple accounts are accessed from the same device or network. Once flagged, users can face suspensions, account closures, or even permanent bans, posing a serious risk to individuals and businesses alike. So how can you avoid these restrictions and manage multiple accounts safely? Fortunately, advanced tools called anti-detection programs offer a powerful solution. These programs allow you to create multiple accounts that appear to be accessed from separate devices in different geographic locations, essentially masking your digital fingerprint. By simulating unique environments for each profile, anti-detection software virtually eliminates the risk of detection, allowing you to confidently manage multiple accounts while preserving privacy and security. In this guide, we'll explore how these programs work and the best practices to use them effectively. Among the top choices for these tools are AdsPower and GoLogin, two leading anti-detection programs. Let's do a quick comparison of their basic features. 1. AdsPower. Free plan, limited free option available. Pricing starts at $5.4 per month for up to 10 profiles. Automation, no-code account management. Compatibility, works on Windows, macOS, and iOS. 2. GoLogin. Free trial, 7-day free trial. Pricing starts at $49 per month for up to 100 profiles. Browser, secure Orbita browser for multi-accounting. Support, available on Windows, macOS, Android, and cloud. Both are fantastic, but for this tutorial, I'll be using AdsPower. You'll find a special link to AdsPower below in the description, where I've arranged an exclusive discount just for my channel followers. Just click the link, register, and download it. It's compatible with all major platforms. How to download AdsPower. After you've registered on the AdsPower website, download the program to your device, choosing the appropriate version based on your operating system. After downloading, follow the installation instructions, which are straightforward. Once installed, open AdsPower and log in with your new account. Setting up AdsPower in detail now, let's set up AdsPower to create unique browser profiles for each account. 1. Create a new browser profile. In the AdsPower dashboard, click on Create New Profile. Choose a descriptive name for each profile to help you easily recognize each account later. AdsPower lets you customize the operating system for each profile, allowing you to simulate different environments like Windows, macOS, or even an Android phone. This feature is particularly useful for creating a unique and authentic browsing experience for each profile, including the option to make it appear as though you're using a mobile device. For my setup, I'll select the Windows system, as it aligns best with my needs. This customization enhances the overall realism and uniqueness of each profile. 2. Enter proxy details. To ensure account security, I use a separate proxy for each profile, which is essential for keeping them safe and preventing detection. For this setup, I personally recommend IP Royal residential proxies, which I've been using without any issues. This approach has been reliable and effective in maintaining each account's privacy and security. Here's how to get started with IP Royal. Go to the IP Royal website link in the description. Select Residential Proxies and click on Create New Order. Choose the number of gigabytes you need. Remember, if you're managing many accounts, getting enough data is essential. Next, choose the country or even a specific city. This allows each account to appear as though it's coming from a specific location. Select the protocol. I suggest using SOC 5 as it provides enhanced compatibility. Finally, after confirming, you'll receive a list of proxies. Copy the proxy information you want to use for each AdsPower profile. 3. Applying the proxy in AdsPower. In AdsPower, paste the proxy details you copied from IP Royal into the proxy settings for the profile. You'll need to enter the IP address, port, username, and password exactly as shown on IP Royal. Once entered, test the proxy connection in AdsPower to ensure it's working. If it's successful, the profile is ready for use. Testing the setup. Now, let's test out the profile we just created. Launch it and open Facebook or another social media platform of your choice. Notice how smoothly the browser operates as though it's a separate, standalone device in a different location. This setup effectively masks your primary identity, creating the appearance of entirely independent accounts with unique fingerprints. AdsPower and IP Royal together solve the problem of managing multiple social media accounts, allowing businesses and marketers to safely operate on platforms that otherwise might ban them for using multiple profiles. So if managing multiple accounts is essential for you, give AdsPower a try with my exclusive discount link in the description. And don't forget to pair it with a reliable proxy service like IP Royal. This combination is your ticket to secure, scalable social media management. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more digital marketing and tech solutions, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. See you next time.